Here at XYZ, we support the underground community. We really dedicate ourselves to spotlight the hard work that local producers are doing. And one of the local guys we have in Venice region is Alberto Braido. And for those who are already familiar with this show, you already heard this name. But he came out with a new remix of a track that I was happy to share tonight, and is Rump Punch. The original track was written and composed by Kashmir Small, aka Cash Cobain, and the production and engineering is curated by him and Alex Garcia. Now, under his new alias, Smile Nuevo, this is Alberto Braido with a very, very special remix, and we're gonna enjoy it together now. 0 to 100, live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Stay tuned.
All it took was one touch, knock out one punch. Eating up for lunch, clutch. Wake up out of sun to sun. I just made her come twice. You can make her come once. We asking questions like an interview, cause you really know what we finna do. I ain't gotta touch you to be feeling you. Yeah, I'm always out when I'm in you. I done slice go out and send me you. He ain't catch you been, but I'ma bring you to it. If you got a man, we can bend the rules. If I wasn't man, I'd be telling two. If you really wanna bring up for the two, it don't matter, cause I'm bringing any two. When they come to slizzy, I'm the general. When they come to pretty, you the pinnacle. I'ma eat that pussy like it's dinner too. Soon as you leave, I miss you too. Like the okay, got the fatty. Wanna be calling me daddy. Top 5 nasty. You ain't even gotta ask me. If you wanna pull up, just to get fucked, here's the Addy. Got that pussy perfect wet, fuck up from the side, pop a Addy. Pussy tastes like rum punch. All it took was one touch. Knock out one punch. Eating up for lunch, clutch. Make it better sun to sun. I just made her come twice. You can make her come once. All it took was one touch. Knock out one punch. Eating up for lunch, clutch. Make it better sun to sun. I just made her come twice. You can make her come once.
Rump Punch remix by Alberto Braido, Smile Nuevo. I actually like it. It's fresh, and I would say it's in line with the previous productions of Alberto. I've been following Alberto for quite a while, I would say, quite a long time now, and he's been producing actively for years. He's an incredibly young, talented producer from Vittorio Veneto, the city in Venice region. And yeah, I would say if you're not familiar with the guy, we are going to share his links in the chat. So in case you're curious about his work, you can definitely dig and find out more about him.